So guys, this is my Earth task 7.2, and currently I'm doing the first part of this task, in which we have to create a Docker container, and uh, we have to deploy HTTPD web server on this and run our web page. So this is the first part, so let's do the first part. So firstly we will be checking like our Docker is running or not. So we will see the status. So this is running, no problem with this. So now we will run our container. So for this is the command. Okay. I'm using the CentOS image. So this is it. Oh, actually we have to write the syntax name. So our container has been created, and I'm in this container. We can see like, so we can see docker ps. So my web container has been created 26 seconds ago. So we will install our httpd package. So yum install httpd -y. So our httpd web server is installing. So our package has been installed. So the difficulty here is like we don't have the systemctl command to start our service like this. So we have to use some other method. So we have to go to the file where this package is installed, so we can run the location of the file and our service will be running. So how to find this location of the file? We can use this command, where is httpd. So there are some locations. So in the usr sbin httpd, in this location our package is installed normally. So we are running this. This is some warning. We can see like this is already running. httpd process id 85 already running. So now we can create a web page in our html folder. No folder is there currently, so we will create index.html. So I'm writing here something like, this is me, this is the first part of my 7.2. So our web page has been created. So we can use I'm installing one more software. Like if I want to see the IP, I can't see. So we have to config. So this command shows the IP. We can use one more command if yes, yeah, this command worked, and we have IP this 172 we have this container has the IP this, so we can use this IP curl 172.17.0.1 port 80 slash index dot html. So sorry, I was running the wrong IP here. We can see IPAS. We have to use 172.17.02. I was running 01, so I am running some other web servers also here, and so for one IP this page was there, so we have to use 2. So this was the line we write in this file, and hence the first part is completed. And the second part is in this second part we have to install a Python interpreter here. So for this yum install python 3 -y. So we can verify python -v. So this version has been installed, so we can run a compiler also, like I am writing here is equal to ssmv, and this is so I've written this line in this variable. We can print this variable. And so this was the second part, and hence this task 7.2 is also completed.